Let's go!
Hi guys, Rosie here. Welcome to my channel. And we are with Mr. Kamal, the hotel associate, and he is going to show us the room. Let's go.
Check it out.
What?
Do not
If you don't do here, okay for you, you see. Now, shall I make up? 22 is good for you. If you want to off, just push it
Okay.
till off. If you want to on, you can make on. And you close it, you can hang your cloth, everything. Here is iron boot and safety box, 4-digit number.
Okay.
If you want to keep your valuable item, 4-digit.
Yes.
And here is coffee. This is sugar and cup. There is for coffee machine. Here is laundry bag. Laundry list is here. It's free. If you like, you can use just on the switch. Within 2 minutes, here will come light. When light come in, just put it here. Water until max, and keep it as it is. And this water here. And here we have to keep capsule. Capsule is here.
Wow. Oh, put like that. And then close.
So when light come in here, it is ready. Just put it here cup.
Ay, bongga. Okay.
When cup full, you have to close because this is not auto.
Click again. Okay.
And this is chargeable. This is free. Tea bag, milk, coffee. If you need more, just dial number 0. Will bring for. This is also chargeable. If you like, you can use. But we have supermarket beside the hotel. You can buy it very cheaper.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Beside the
Okay.
Okay.
Here is your last name and the password.
Mm-hmm.
From number 618 is your username for the Wi-Fi.
Okay.
Thank you.
Ladies, here is some fruit for you, some water also here for you.
Mm-hmm.
And if you need any help anytime, just dial number 0.
Anything, just dialed number 0. So we just had a quick room tour plus orientation by Mr. Kamal. So this is a deluxe room with 2 single beds, plus a balcony and a pretty sea view. The room is really clean and organized. Everything is really good. So now I am going to show you our bathroom in my bathrobe. Ta-da! Wow, look at the lights. Wow, makagwapa. So pretty. Just like the other hotels too, they have 3 types of towel for face, for body, and for hand. So we already placed our stuff over there. And that tissue, look at that. They put some effort in wrapping it. The toilet bowl, it's the same thing. It was covered and they wrapped it like that. And for the bathrobe, they provided only one. So we just dialed 0 and asked for another one. So let's check the shower. Wow. Oh, look. I love to try that shower. Not all hotels have that, you know. And you know what's the best part? We have music here. What? That is bigger. Amazing, right? So this is where we control that. And this is the volume. Wow. So that's it. I'm too impressed again. So let's go. Moved on. Let's go out and check the balcony. So lastly but not the least, I'm going to show you our pretty balcony. Tara! So okay, let's take a look now to that pretty view. Wow.
Hello, Khobar!
I like the view.
You do?
Yeah.
You're my best view.
Nee. you for watching my video. Please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye!